Hey guys, so if you want to add a downloadable PDF button with a link in Wix, here's what you're going to do. The first thing is you go to the Wix website or the Wix.studio website, and then from here, you can find all the websites that you have. Just click on Edit Site, and then once you're in the Wix website editor right here, you can see this Add Elements button right here. All you have to do is to click on this one. But before we do that, let's just find a place where we want to add the download button. So for me, I'm just going to put it right here. Now let's click on this Add Elements button. It looks like a plus icon. And then here, you can see this button option. And then from here, just click on any kind of button that you want. For example, I'm just going to choose this button. Drag and drop this to wherever you want to add your downloadable PDF button. Let's just place it wherever we want to place it. For me, I'm just going to place it right here. Now, to add a downloadable PDF to this button, what you have to do is to click on this link icon. It looks like two chains. Now, click on that. And then from here, you can choose what you want to link this to. So if you want to do a downloadable PDF, all you have to do is to click on the document and then choose File. Now it's going to prompt you to choose a file that you want to add. If you already have it uploaded to your site, then you can just easily select it among all the options that will appear right here, as you can see. But if you don't have the PDF uploaded yet, just click on Upload Media and then click on Upload from Computer, wherever you want to upload from. And for me, let's just, for example, I'm going to upload this one. Click on Open, and then just wait for it to be uploaded to our website. Now, once uploaded to our website, just click on Add to Page, and then your document will be linked to this button once you hit on Done. Hit on Done, and as you can see, the link turned green. This means that your document has been linked to this button. Now, let's change the text on this button to Download. Just double tap on this button and then change the text to download. Maybe you want to resize this or make it bigger. Just edit it the way you want it to show up on your website, and that's it. After that, just hit on save and then hit on publish.